Hey guys, today I would like to show you a couple of plugins that I have been using lately. First one I would like to show you is HD Card by Reverb Foundry. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to set my wet and dry ratio to -9. Will increase my reverb time to 1.6. Push my front delay to 6 milliseconds. I will change my recirculation to standard. Increase my winder time. Will push my pre-delay under character to 20 milliseconds. Will increase my size slightly. And we'll change our reflections to -2. And we're ready to listen to it. Here's before. After. The second one I would like to show you is BX Room by Plugin Alliance. The first thing I'm going to do is select plate, and we'll leave it at medium, but we will make some adjustments. We will start by pushing our pre-delay to around 25 milliseconds. We'll increase the room size to 85, and we'll push our delay time to 75. We'll set our width to 120%. We'll leave our cutoff at 6 dB, but we'll push that to 88 Hz, and we'll set our upper cutoff to 15K. We'll increase our amount to 25%, and finally we will reduce our dry and wet mix to 25%, and we're ready to listen to it. Here's before. After. Try them and let me know what you think.